Hey, 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 and welcome back to a Legoville update, and as you can see, we still have lots of work to do. See you after the jump. Hey everybody, this is Nid Darius from both Old World Tube and the Legoville playlist, and we are going to take a quick 5-minute look at this week's updates in Legoville. And I'm afraid to say, this is probably the most progress you've seen this week, because everything else, well, still a mess there, still waiting to be put on the table there, and I'm only just starting to go through the totes there, because, frankly, I didn't have a lot of time this week, and a lot of other things were taking up my time to begin with. So anyway, enough of that. We are basically looking at still a bit of a mess. The eastern quarter has been mostly built, and we have a bridge, which is fantastic. So I'm going to quickly walk you through some things we've done. You may have seen the pictures of this in the last update. We basically used the Lego wall plates to basically make the base of the road, and basically added the guardrails and a walkway either side for minifigs to walk up and down. So we have a bridge going across this small area here, in this area here. Once it's cleared out and the bonsai tree's gone there, it's going to be a marina, which is going to be pretty damn cool. So this water section here is done. The water section is here done. I'm just going to get these trees and stuff and safety barriers out of here. Oh, it's all over the place. It's all over the place. But what I managed to sit down and do is get most of Legoville's eastern quarter done. So you remember the temple build I did from the last Legoville set? Got the entranceway in there, and we've added the latest Lantern Festival garden set in there, which is a pretty nice little sectional in there. And you can see, if you look down the sides there, the Dragon Dance and all the stores from the Lantern Festival temple set. This big gap here, I'm planning to put Ninjago Gardens there, but I'm not too certain until the build's done exactly it's just going to be the final resting place, because the way these two are set up, these two mirror each other, Ninjago Gardens and the Lantern Festival Gardens kind of mirror each other in terms of basically footprint. So I think Ninjago Gardens is going to dictate what happens here. I think that's going to get pushed more that way, and it's going to be interesting. And also, the yellow building there is probably going to be shifted more that way, because Ninjago Gardens really does overhang. Looking forward to building. It's almost a 6,000 piece set, and it's going to probably take me a week to get through it, which means probably even less time to basically devote to rebuilding Legoville. But the good news is, I've only really got to get rid of the mess here. That's class and tidy it up. Got to tidy up here in time for the stuff that's coming in. I've heard on the grapevine we're going to be getting a Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel is going to go to the end of the pier here. Not too certain what's going to go there yet, but I'll figure it out. I'm going to quickly scroll really quickly, see what's going on. Not much is happening in the harbour area. I've got to move the houseboat to a proper place. So a lot of my flat spaces on the table are like many flat spaces. When people build their Lego cities, just come into like convenient storage areas for, let's just face it, a big pile of bricks. And so as we work on the sections, the camping section is more or less done. I want to build I feel like it's missing something, but I'll find out what that missing thing is. It'll come to me eventually. I think we've got to add a couple more trees in there, make it a little bit bigger up there, and we just get the eastern quarter done and then start the development of the main city and the marina, and I think we'll be pretty much good to go. It's a lot of work still to do, as you can see. All my base plates are in the corner, but it feels like there's less base plates, which is good. And of course I have over here my pink installation foam for what I'm going to be building right there in that corner. When I start building what I'm going there, it's going to be basically a built tunnel with a Lego veneer, so I can get some more vertical space into the city, so I get more build areas. When I start doing that, there will be a step-by-step build video as we do that. Lots of things are happening in the city. Not happening fast enough, but I do like the bridge. That's come together quite nicely. Never used a roll plate there as a slip ramp, and it's coming together. And it's unfortunately, like many people who have their Lego stuff lying around, it's not coming together fast enough. But we've got this bit done, and that's significant. It feels like I'm actually getting a city coming together now. All I gotta do now is, you know, get a shows requirement done, go through the totes, get every single one of these guys into place. I've gotta empty that table there, so I can start putting the tables here and really build a city out. Let's just decide on updates to do. It's actually real good fun, basically rejuvenating your city. I can say I'm building this so I can actually fit the train tracks in properly. So I'm building around the train track instead of the train tracks building around the city. And so far it's kind of worked, and I think going forward with the tracks, you can see the track over there, when that casts all the way along here, I'm going to have a significant amount of track run, and some real fun stuff that's going to happen in this area here. I can see it, you won't be able to see it yet. I can see in my mind's eye there's going to be a huge mountain over there, lots of fun things, city just here. It really is how I'm starting the planet to come out, but I've still got a lot of work to go. So, I better stop this video, send it out there so you guys can look at it. And this is Nick Davis, and both of Legoville playlist and the Old World Tune.